Roshni, please pass the lights. Roshni, is everything okay?
There's a Christmas party happening today, Achacha, but nobody invited me.
Christmas party. Roshni, pack your bags.
Christmas party in Kochi. Who will be there?
And Chap, yes, sure. Beta, Merry Christmas. Evening coming, no?
100%. Salam Patu.
നേരോ നിനക്ക് ലോങ് ടൈം നോ വേറെ റോഷ്നി മോളോ ഹാപ്പി ക്രിസ്മസ് മോളെ
Happy Christmas.
അപ്പൊ ഈവനിങ് വരില്ലേ
Achacha, I loved your Christmas.
കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല.
Achacha.
In India, Christmas is for everyone, no matter where you're from. redBus celebrates this season of togetherness. redBus celebrates everyone's Christmas.